everybody, today I'm going to make salt pickled carrot and cucumber. First, I'm going to peel the carrots like this. Simple and easy peeling. You need to be very careful when peeling carrots, as you might cut your fingers. I've done it before. It hurts a lot. With the cucumber, I'm going to do alternated colours. One peeled, one not peeled. But if the skin is very hard, you can peel it all. Okay, let's do it. This tastes very yummy because Mummy makes it very yummily. We're going to sprinkle some salt on the board like this. Doesn't need to be in a pattern. And then we're going to rub and roll the carrot in the salt. Just like that. It's very simple. Put it in the box and then leave it to pickle for 1 hour.
We are going to put the lid on. That's ready to go in the fridge for a minimum of an hour.
Look, they've let out all of their water and they're now pickled. We're going to dry all of the fruit and veg. Every single inch. You need to roll it in the paper tissue so all of the water comes off. And there, it's dry. Now let's cut the things up. I'm going to cut them slanted like this so they look nice and beautiful. There we are. These look so appetizing. Don't you think that, Mummy?
I think they are.
Because you might taste them in a minute.
They will be crunchy and sweet.
Sweet and crunchy. Always go well together. These will look very pretty on the plate. There we are. I think that's enough, don't you? There we are. Mummy, is it yummy? Is it too salty? Is it too sweet? Is it perfect? Well, we'll see you next time before Mummy eats everything yet again.